Having an additional wall button for your garage door can make life much easier. Here's how to program an additional wall button to use with your existing ATA EasyRoller garage door operator in easy steps. Nominate which channel button you wish to use on this additional remote control. This can be any button on the remote control. We will need this for the coding process. Programming the wall button into the EasyRoller. Locate the door code button on the EasyRoller control panel. Note, you will need to remove the control panel cover to access this panel. Press and hold the door code button. While the door code button is held down, press and hold the button for 2 seconds. Release for 2 seconds. Press and hold the button again for 2 seconds. Release the door code button. Process is complete. The door should operate. All other settings and features can be found in the installation instructions. ATA, smart, simple, secure.